So hello everyone, I am Anupam and welcome back to Python for Absolute Beginner series. In this lesson 17, we are going to learn OOPS concept in Python. So these are inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation abstraction. So let's start. So what is OOP? OOP is a programming paradigm that uses objects to design applications and computer programs. It combines data and functions that operates on that data within a single unit called a class. So a class is a blueprint for creating objects. An object is an instances of a class. Inheritance, to deriving properties from parent, that is called inheritance. Polymorphism, same name, different work, that is called polymorphism. Encapsulation, a data protection mechanism, that is known as encapsulation. In OOPS, abstraction, hiding complex details, that is known as abstraction. So next one. So what is inheritance in Python? So in OOPS, inheritance is a mechanism that allows a new class to inherit properties and behavior from an existing class. So this creates a hierarchical relationship between classes, such as an example like dog is an animal. Okay. So like parent class, base class with common attributes, child class that inherits and extends parent functionality, method inheritance, child can use parents methods. Okay. So what is polymorphism in Python? So in OOPS, polymorphism is the ability for an object, variable or function to take multiple forms. So it allows a single interface to be used to perform a general action while the specific behavior is determined by the actual type of the object at runtime or compile time. Like operator overloading. Same operator works differently with numbers like 5 plus 5, 10 versus strings a plus b into ab. So the example like print 5 plus 5 then 10 with strings print a plus b, then output will be ab. So the next one is encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation bundles data and methods together within a class that is used to protecting the internal data from unauthorized access. It is like putting data and its related functionality in a protective capsule. Like its key benefits are data hiding and protection from external modification. Next one is control access through methods, improved maintainability and security. Fourth one is prevents accidental data corruption. So next one is abstraction in Python. It shows only essential feature while hiding complex implementation details from users. So in programming, we use large software systems, use abstraction to manage complexity and provide simple interfaces for users. So abstraction helps create clean, user-friendly interfaces while keeping the complex logic hidden away. So this makes programs easier to use and maintain. So today's class summary is inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction. So these four concepts form the foundation of object-oriented programming in Python. So we will mastering them will help you to write code, organized and professional code. So continue practicing with the real projects to reinforce these concepts. So in this chapter we will learn the OOPS concepts, and in next lesson we are going to learn and code programs of Python. So if you like the video, keep watching and subscribe. Thank you.